Okay, so today let's create a fact page for your new Etsy shop. Okay, so the reason why you want a fact page is because it's going to help you with your sales conversions. Here's the thing, nobody likes a empty Etsy shop with no information. In fact, it can look a little sketch to the potential buyer. So it's really important to make sure that you're filling your Etsy shop with as much information as possible. That being said, we're going to go ahead and use my new shop that I just set up. And we are going to add some fact to it. So you're going to go ahead and scroll over to this Edit Shop button. And we're going to click Edit Shop. What's going to happen now is you're going to have the kind of like the back end of your store open up. And you're going to go ahead and scroll down. And right over here, we're going to see a frequently asked questions section, okay? So this is where you can go ahead and click add a fact. You can use what they provide for you, although I would always go custom, especially if you are a digital product seller like I am, or an e-com seller, right? And you're gonna go ahead and put in your favorite frequently asked questions that you're gonna be putting in. Now, if you don't know what to put here, I highly suggest you go to my comment section in my description and you grab my free facts that I'm gonna be providing for you. If you are a digital seller or you sell any type of digital products, it's perfect for you. And you can go ahead and use these as a guide so that you can really, use this for SEO, use this to make your potential buyers feel really comfortable with you. And as a result, convert your potential buyers into sales. Okay. So with that, have fun with the frequently asked questions. Please, if you have any questions, throw them in the comments. I would love to help you answer them, and grab that freebie if you need a guide or you need a step-by-step to help you get this set up right so that you can start making money online. Alrighty, I will see you in our next videos, and I look forward to hearing about your success.